Alright, so I got this lawnmower right here. Show y'all around real quick. Just got it not too long ago. Alright, I'm gonna show you under here. There's a motor, it's a 20 horsepower, and I just got a new battery for it. But I'll tell y'all how I got this lawnmower. So this lawnmower, it was my grandpa's lawnmower, but then my grandpa passed away, and I'm the one that got the lawnmower. So you know, it's like it's kind of a little memory of him, and I mean it's a good lawnmower too. But I'm gonna put the key in here. But it had been sitting in a field for 2 years without getting crunk up, and it crunked right up and had to like get a new battery and stuff. And I'm surprised because I ain't changed the carburetor or nothing. It's running like brand new. And this thing right here, I haven't really figured out what it is yet. But see, like, I think you like put this through there, and there's something back there that makes this go up, and that'll lift this up. You can put like an implement on the back, and it'll lift it up. That's what I think it is. And the only problem is these 2 tires right here go flat. I pump them up every day, and they go flat every day. So I'm gonna go get the bike pump. I'm gonna get the bike pump, and there's the Murray over there. He's still working on it. Alright, so I got those pumped up. If you look at these tires, actually not too bad of tires. Not too bad tread on there. Alright, anyways. Let's see. I showed you. Okay. Got it neutral. Yeah, that's a neutral. Alright. Choke it, I guess. Here's the problem, man. You gotta put it in low gear, and then, you know, you put it, here's your gear shift. Put it in first gear. Now it's in first gear. Then when you let off the clutch to go, it just shuts it off. I don't know why it's doing that. What I think it is like, you know, you have to be sitting on the seat for it to work. I think that's just messing up or something. That's just causing it to not work. As you can tell, it's running fine right now. Let off the clutch, and it just shuts off. Or like starts it off, and you keep pulling off the clutch, then it will shut off. So like, I don't know what's up with it. I think it is the kill switch right there. So I'm gonna have to try to look into that. Because it's too set up. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I stood up. Anyways, I'm gonna turn the key off. A spider right there. Alright, see, a little kill switch for those things has to be touching that, you know, like if you were sitting on the seat for it to work or whatever. And I'm wondering if like the kill switch is just like not connecting good or something. Or like shorting out. This seat did not lean far up enough. Hitting that thing right there, and then it won't stay. But I'm thinking that's what it is. Cause I mean, I don't know what else it could be. And it's not out of gas, cause I've checked that. And I wouldn't think it's a carburetor, cause it's running fine in neutral, or when you got the clutch on. I think that's all it is, but I'll make a video on that later. I was just showing y'all this lawnmower. Like I said, it was my grandpa's lawnmower, then he passed away, and I got his lawnmower. And you know, it's kind of like a little memory of him, or whatever, but yeah, there's my lawnmower now.